Quite sure.
Yeah.
Okay, moving right along. Astronaut Peggy Whitson finished a record-breaking flight in space. She spent 665 days off Earth. That's the most for any American astronaut. Now, 288 days of the trip were spent on a solo mission. She arrived back on Earth today in Kazakhstan.
She's amazing.
Yeah, she really is. An inspiration for
Yeah.
sure. Let's talk a little bit about Irma. I know you're getting lots of questions.
Yeah.
People have lots of questions about this storm.
There's so much fake garbage out there, too, that you really got to be careful and make sure you're looking at something that's reputable, reliable. This Category 6 stuff, it's garbage. There is no such thing as a Category 6 hurricane. There never has been. I don't think there ever will be. We stop at 5,
this is why we
1
ask
to
the
5.
questions,
Yeah, but
right?
this is some of the stuff that we have to let you know. You got to be smart about what you're looking at, and if you're not sure where it's coming from, don't believe it. That's all I'm telling you right now. Hey, let's get to...
This man will verify for you.
We're going to get to the 3-degree guarantee, then Irma, but today forecast a high of 80 degrees, Deborah, and it turned out to be a beautiful day.
Did you do okay?
Turned out to be a very beautiful day. On a stretch, Deborah, today's the 36th day in a row that we have hit the 3-degree guarantee. In fact, today was a bullseye. I'm going 86 tomorrow for my 3-degree guarantee. All right, let's talk Irma. Let's flip the prompter, too, and we'll show you what's going on here. We've got Irma down here. Irma is still 2,000 miles away, give or take, from D.C. This is a long way away. It's going to take a long time, if ever, to get here. And I say if ever because there are so many question marks beyond about days 4 or 5. And you can see the storm here spinning. There's the eye now, moving off to the west-southwest at about 14, 15 miles an hour. Pressure's come up just a tiny bit since 8 o'clock, but the winds, they're starting to come up. 115 gusting to 140. This is forecast by the Hurricane Center to strengthen as it approaches the northern Leeward Islands. Hurricane watches are up, and they'll probably be extended toward the Virgin Islands as we get into tomorrow, and then these may go to warnings here tomorrow as well. Here we are Tuesday afternoon. Winds could be near 140 miles an hour Tuesday night in toward Wednesday morning when it's passing real close to Antigua. And the concern I have is this track's been moving a little bit more in this direction, then over toward Anguilla, and then over toward the British Virgin Islands, potentially the U.S. Virgin Islands. A very close call to direct hit versus just missing, but way too close for comfort. Puerto Rico right now looks to get a glancing blow unless this thing continues to track more to the west-southwest, but a Category 4 storm at 140, gusting 160, 165 at that point. Then the Turks and Caicos, and then the Bahamas. Beyond that, the central Bahamas. Beyond that, we got a lot of question marks, and I got to show you the modeling here and why we've got the question marks in the long range. Short range, look at the tight clustering of these models here. So the confidence level is high that track, at least for the next 3, 4, 5 days, it's a pretty good one Hurricane Center has. But as we get toward the weekend, here we are midday Saturday. Some models here, some models there. It starts to diverge some, right? We still have models that are taking it across southern Florida, then others up the Florida coast, others offshore toward the Carolinas. I want to compare the American and the European models. These are two of the bigger ones we look at. And the red one is the American, the GFS, with the European, which has been a pretty reliable model. It's a little bit further and closer to Antigua and Anguilla and the Virgin Islands and just north of Puerto Rico. As we head into the Bahamas and the Turks and Caicos, boy, European slams them. GFS, strong hit, but not as bad. And then look what happens next weekend. We're talking a week away, so this is going to change. You'll notice it makes a turn to the north, and potentially GFS tries to come in toward maybe Myrtle Beach, while the Euro tries to keep it offshore. This is going to change 8, 9 days out. This is not set in stone, but just to give you an idea about some of the stuff we're working with. Tonight, hey, it's not bad at all. Tomorrow is going to be a really good day with sunshine. 50s and 60s in the morning, near 80 by lunchtime, with highs in the mid-80s. We do have a front that's coming later Tuesday, so we could have a few storms late Tuesday afternoon, evening, and then cooling down midweek. 50s and 60s tonight, an isolated patch of fog. Tomorrow morning, 60s and 70s, a spectacular start to what's going to be a fantastic Labor Day with highs in the mid-80s and humidity levels in check. As we head toward Tuesday, a late storm is possible. Hot, 88, maybe 90 even. And then Wednesday, cooler with rain and showers, 72. By Thursday, maybe a lingering shower early, otherwise turning nice, 73, and fall-like. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so looking good for both the Terps and the Skins home openers next weekend.
Excellent. I know someone who knows all about that. Frank?
Allegedly. You know, the Redskins are trying to prepare for the Eagles in the season opener.